Okay, here is our last problem, and you notice it looks kind of ugly, but we are tough and strong and can do it. So the first thing we're going to do in this first one is we need to move the one to the other side by addition, and we need to combine the 5x and the 4x. So we're just going to get x. They are on the same side, so we're just combining like terms. The 3y, there's only one y term. The 1's moved to the other side, so that's equal to -4. In the bottom equation, you should notice that you need to distribute. Now I'm trying to get the same number in front of like terms. So I am going to actually multiply this problem by -2, so I can get a -2x and a +2x, and that will allow me to eliminate the x's. When I'm doing that, I notice that I'm actually going to eliminate the y's as well. So 2x minus 2x drops out, 6y minus 6y drops out, so I get this side is equal to 0. This side is 10. When all the variables drop out, what that means is that the two lines are parallel, if you were to graph them. They have infinite solutions on this line, infinite solutions on this line, but there's not one common solution to both. So when that happens and you have a false statement and there are no variables, we say no solution because the lines are parallel. Holy schmoly. Weird O. Okay, love it.